I present to you the world's biggest chip maker, TSMC, to open second Japan factory with backing from Sony and TOYOTA. So how we read this statement called with backing from Sony and TOYOTA means they already have demand. They are not just supplying, they already have demand. Sony and Toyota is pushing TSMC, quickly go and set up shop. We are ready to buy more from you. Okay? So the expansion of TSMC's operations in Japan highlights the Japanese government's push to onshore manufacturing of semiconductors. And of course, SoftBank will be behind the scenes taking advantage of this. That will be a separate story. Let me just focus on the TSMC first, all right? Now, one thing to note about TSMC is it was rejected by Warren Buffett. They went in with $1 billion investment. 3 months later, they got out. Do we have new data point today? Yes. Let me tell you what's the new data point, which is damn scary. This is the very, very sickening thing, and I think Warren Buffett saw it through, but I need to show it to you right now, just hot off the oven. And despite, I think the video interview of President Putin came in late. Ladies and gentlemen, US Senate passes 128 billion Ukraine aid bill, but path ahead unclear. If this bill goes through, we're going to have more wars, not less war. We're going to have more wars. You have to watch that interview to understand what I meant by this. So, Democratic-led United States Senate on February 13 passed a $95.34 billion aid package of Ukraine for Ukraine, Israel, and Taiwan, though it faces an uncertain path ahead in the Republican-controlled House of Representatives. Okay? Hi, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the way I go about performing analysis, connecting the dots, then I want to invite you to our upcoming Cozy Live Trading. This is a full-scale 5-hour session, and what we do is this. We always cover the past 2 weeks, what the key events have happened in the stock market, and we also cover the next 2 weeks. So together, coming to the Cozy Live Trading, you enjoy 1 month of complete knowledge whereby we connect the dots, perform the analysis, and then we fire off the trades. So join us really, really soon in the upcoming Cozy Live Trading. Go below right now, click to register, and I shall see you in the class. Thank you. Goodbye.